Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can zoom in and zoom out the screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, or in other words, how to use the magnification. So first we're gonna open the settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility. Over here, go to vision enhancements and then scroll down one more time to find magnification. And now we need to enable the magnification shortcut in order to be able to enable and disable this feature. So tap the slider, and then you should be able to choose how you want to use or start using magnification. And if these options pop up, then of course you need to select one of these. I have chosen triple tap before, and I'm gonna stick with it. So in the case of triple tap screen, in order to start using it, we need to tap the screen 3 times, and then we can start moving around. We can also zoom in even more, like so, and zoom out. We can also scroll by using 2 fingers instead of 1. I mean, if you do this outside the magnification, then you can still just use 1 finger, but I believe inside, no, still you can, okay. So over here there is also the description how we can use it, and it seems that the swipe with 2 fingers to scroll is not really necessary. And of course, if you want to disable the magnification, then you need to triple tap the screen one more time, in the case of course of the triple tap screen shortcut. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.